Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the chilling world of horror collectibles with an exciting highlight: the best Michael Myers building block set. If you're a fan of the Halloween franchise, this is a product that combines creativity, nostalgia, and just the right amount of fright. This Michael Myers building block set is not just any ordinary toy. It's a collector's item that allows you to construct the infamous House of Michael Myers from the classic horror film. The set consists of a remarkable 586 pieces, designed to bring the eerie details of the Halloween movie right into your living room. It's perfect for enthusiasts and horror movie fans who appreciate intricate designs and classic cinematic references. What sets this building set apart is its compatibility with popular building brick brands, making it a versatile addition to your collection. You can mix and match it with your existing blocks, offering endless creative possibilities. This compatibility means that whether you're building new scenes or adding to your current setups, the sky's the limit for your imagination. The design of the building blocks meticulously captures the essence of the Halloween franchise. Each piece is crafted with care, featuring smooth surfaces and durable materials that ensure both safety and longevity. The set comes with clear paper instructions that guide you through the building process, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the experience of recreating this iconic scene. The packaging is equally impressive, beautifully designed and making it an ideal gift for friends or family who are horror enthusiasts. It's not just a toy, it's a stunning decoration piece that stands out as a conversation starter. Putting this building block set together is not just for kids, it's an engaging activity for adults too. Whether you're looking for a way to unwind after a long day or wanting to bond with fellow horror movie fans, this set offers a rewarding experience. As you construct the haunted house, you'll likely find yourself reminiscing about the film's thrilling moments and the iconic character of Michael Myers. Moreover, the set's artistic detail makes it suitable for display. Once assembled, it can serve as a unique decoration for Halloween parties, movie nights, or simply as a standout piece in your horror collection. In summary, the Michael Myers building block set is a delightful addition to any horror fan's collection. It's more than just a toy, it's a piece of cinematic history that allows you to engage with the Halloween franchise in a creative way. Whether you're building it for yourself or gifting it to a fellow fan, this set is sure to bring a thrill to any horror enthusiast. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview and want to stay updated on more incredible products, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep building and embracing the horror.